Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to my channel. A few weeks ago, uh, I was talking about about my channel and uh, lifestyles and retirement and that, and about projects that people start, and fixing things and things like that. And so I had this project that needed to get done. Uh, it was I had a concrete pad right here. I'll show you in a minute. That I I replaced it. Well, I didn't replace it, but I patched it up a few years back, and it cracked again. And so I finally bit the bullet and took out the whole piece. And I'm going to show you here. Yeah, that right there. And so I started it last Friday, and I had to do some running around, and by the time that was all done, then Saturday came. So I didn't start it till 2:30 in the afternoon, and so I got my cement and I had the hole all dug and ready, and I dug down 4 inches. It's a 2 foot by 2.5 foot by 3.5 foot pad, and they say they say I needed 7 to 8 bags, and I said, really? Okay. And so before that, Friday and Saturday I was working on that, digging that out, and I dug down 5.5 inches, and by the time I was that deep, it was still solid, and I mean, it's been there for 40, 50 years. So it wasn't like it was going to shift or anything like that. So I dug down, yeah, and I came back with my wire mesh, and they say you want the wire mesh on the upper side of the hole, like say 1.5 to 2 inches down of your 4 foot hole, because they also say that if you have it on the bottom, well, it's not going to do any good. It's not going to do you any good to. It'll just be like having nothing there. So I did that. Set the wire mesh up on some broken bricks that I had, and so I poured that that Saturday, or this Saturday gone. I poured that 2:30, and I was mixing it by hand. The bags of Quickcrete. It's a just add water mix type thing, and anyway, that's what I got left over anyway. I bought 8 bags, and it took 6.5 bags to do it. So I had my little wheelbarrow here, and I mixed it up each bag, and putting it in each bag. You'd trowel it in there and mix it all in. So, but by the time I finished, it was 8 o'clock that night, and I thought, oh God, finally it's done. So we went inside, and 10 o'clock rolled by, and I thought, I better go out and check that. And I went out, and it was hard, and I should have known better. But anyway, it was hard, but it wasn't hard enough that I couldn't do anything with it. So I put the broom on it, like you just sweep the broom back and forth to rough it up so that it's not slippery or anything like that when it's all done. And then I bought myself an edger, and I edged all around it. And so luckily it worked out, because I wasn't going to dig that up again. So anyway, so now I just have to leave the plastic on it, make sure it's wet all the time, and they say it's supposed to take 3 to 7 days for it to cure. I mean, new concrete, it's supposed to take like a month or two, or whatever, to really get hard. But you can walk on it after 3 to 7 days, and so did that, and it looks like it turned out anyway. I'll see what the end's going to be like. So anyway, if you have any answers or questions or whatever, if I did anything wrong, or please say so, and I'll catch you on the other video. Thanks. Bye-bye.